This video is a tutorial on how to install Windows 11 on any device, even if it is really old.
Okay, it says the PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements and review the following. The PC must support secure boot, so which means this particular one doesn't support secure boot. TPM is not detected. TPM2 must be supported, so this is obviously a device that is 11 years old. There is hardly any chance of having TPM in it. Thirdly, the processor isn't currently supported, that is the CPU Core 2 Duo. The USB I'm going to use is Windows 11 official build from Microsoft website, and I have downloaded it using the media creation tool from Microsoft. Let's restart and have a look at the BIOS. I'm pressing F2 to go into setup. I tried updating the BIOS, but it was not successful. We have the USB device, Toshiba USB 2.0. Yeah, that is the boot drive. So boot drive is already here in. I'm selecting the boot from USB. Now we'll go next. Then if you go into install now, okay, I don't have a product key. I'm choosing Windows 11 Pro. And the response comes as expected. This PC can run Windows 11. Now first thing what we are going to do is we are going into command prompt mode. To go into command prompt mode, easiest way to do is use Shift F10. So we will go into disk part and see disk part at work. List disk, disk 0 and 1. Okay, so disk 0 is the hard drive and this disk 1 is a USB drive on which installation media is located. So first, list disk, list volume, list wall, that list volume. So F is a DVD, CD drive. Volume 1 is C, 50 MB, so that is a NDFS partition, that is the system boot thing, and E is the NDFS which contains the installation media, or where I should be installing the operating system, and D is the USB which contains the installation media. So I want to format all volumes. Okay, so select volume 1, that is C. Now format completed. Now select volume 2, format quick. Let's list volumes again. NTFS 532. We can exit this part now. Now we need to move all our actual Windows files into the drive E, because E is going to be the drive on which the operation system will be installed. Now before that, we need to specify which index we want, or which operating system you want to install, whether Windows 10 Home or Student or Pro. To check out that, we need to find the index from the installation media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a dism. I'm going to enter a dism command. Dism get image info, should be image file. Just specify which is the image file. So image file is going to be, image file is on our disk D, so it's D sources, isn't it? Sources install dot ESD. Okay, that's correct. Now I am planning to install Windows 11 Pro, and on the screen you can see index 6 is Windows 11 Pro. Okay, so we are asking DISM again. DISM apply image, then just give the file path of the image file. Apply image, just image file, same as before. Image file is in D sources install dot ESD space slash Windows image, sorry, ESD, not Windows image index. We need to refer the index. We need index 6 because index 6 is Windows 10 Pro. Then where we want it, apply to directory. Apply directory will be E because it's going to be on disk E colon slash. I hope this command is correct. Apply, okay, just going through. It is supposed to be apply. DISM apply image file is D sources install.esd. Yes, it's in D. Index 6, that is Windows 10 Pro. Upper directory E, so we are installing it onto drive E. That should work. Yes, image servicing and management tool. The notification will come up which shows the status or the progress of copying of files. It looks like it's taking longer than usual. Yes, applying image. Yes, it shows the percentage. It starts with 1%. 92, 93. Completed. Before we start copying the boot files, we will just make sure that all the installation media is copied onto our designated drive E. We'll have a directory check. So it says, okay, all the 5 default folders of Windows are there, 5 directories copied. In order to copy the boot files, we will need the command or the app bcd boot. In bcd boot, what we need to do is we have to specify the operating system, that is in E, Windows, so that is the operating system. So we are copying it onto our boot is C, so it will be C colon because it is a drive. Force just all. Now let us see whether it does what we expect it to do. Failure while attempting to copy boot files. The same error happened uh, when I did the first time. At this point I decided to give up. So what I did, I'm going to do the same again. I did a directory search to check whether any files. So I found E has got some files. So I changed it over to DC. C has directory check. So it says no files, and there is one directory with some files on it anyway. Now I'm going to exit it. We are back on the same screen which says where we choose installation media. Now what I'm going to do is, I went back, close this one. Yes, I want to quit. Now first thing I need to do is I need to make sure I'm going to restart and try to boot from the hard disk. Yes, you can see the Windows logo slowly appearing. It's a beautiful animation, I like it. Yes, here comes. Yep. We have successfully installed Windows. Intel Core 2 Duo CPU T6600, the CPU 2.2, Windows 11 Pro 21H2, okay, 10/8/2021, that is today. OS build 2200194. So I think this is the latest version of Windows 10 officially released. Oh, sorry, Windows 11 officially released. I will be making another video doing the same thing but with Windows 11 Home, which actually needs an internet connection to activate. I will try to do it without an internet connection. Secondly, what I am going to do is, now I already had partitions in the hard disk. I am going to go through a step where I will be manually creating the partition. That will be really helpful for people, those who do not have this one. It already had an operating system installed and working, so that installation had already created the partitions that we needed. So we only formatted the partitions, we didn't create the partitions. Also, I will include in that video on how to convert into MBR and GPT according to your needs. Guys, thank you for watching. uh, before I end, I have taken few instructions from Chris Titus Tech on YouTube. He has a video which says installing and uses Windows 11 on a 10-year-old PC. He has a tutorial on it. In the description below I will be adding that link as well. Guys, see you in the next video.